Unveiling the innovation with Metalense 2. Micro OLED-equipped optics ensure bright and clear displays in all lighting conditions, indoors and outdoors, without distinction, and offer an expanded field of view. Eliminating the need for separate devices, Metalense 2 functions as a smartphone. Gesture and voice recognition enable hands-free operation, enhancing user convenience. Based on Qualcomm Snapdragon Spaces, it supports spatial computing beyond extended display. Equipped with LTE modules, it supports seamless data communication anywhere like smartphones. Featuring a replaceable battery, Metalense 2 enables a fast power supply anywhere, minimizing work interruptions and charging time. Proudly managing all unit technologies in-house, we prioritize security and offer customized solutions for various B2B industries. Best partners who can help you with XR technology. Metalense 2.